Do you want the best bang for your buck, or as some might say, best value for your dollar? My name's Chad Dodge. Today we have a 2023 Kia Forte. It's a very beautiful vehicle. It's granite crystal metallic in color, pretty much like brand new tires on it. It's only got 14,000 kilometers on it. And if your forte is safety, we have a huge amount of safety features in here. So blind spot monitoring, forward collision mitigation, you have adaptive cruise control, and you have a bunch more too. So if you guys come around to the back, you have a trunk, which I am just figuring out how to open. Give me 1 second. Still don't know. The keys may help.
Quick, you have 10 seconds.
Huge trunk to put lots of groceries and stuff in it. If you guys want to come down, check it out. My name's Chad Dodge. Phone number 780-278-CHAD.